Now, dear students, we will see how we can simulate our circuit in KiCad, as we have simulator provided in the schematic editor. For doing that, let's go to file and create a new project, and let's say I am going to check for simulations, and let's just save this and let's open up our schematic editor. So this schematic editor comes with the ngspice simulator, which is an open source simulator, circuit simulator. So if you want to see that simulator, go to inspect and over here click on simulator. So this is the spice simulator that we have, as we haven't designed any circuit, and that is why you will see nothing over here in the signals, cursor and measurement sections. So, and with this simulator you also have a KiCad library that have KiCad. Let me show you spice. This is a simulation spice. This is the library which has different sources that will help us in the simulation, different components and sources that are already provided in the simulation spice library. So let's just start by building up a simple circuit that is a voltage divider. So let's just add a resistor and let's say place it over here. Let's add an other resistor and let's place it over here. Let's add a ground and double click over here, and let's add a symbol for power. Let's say I want to use plus 5 volt. So let's click over here and place it over here. Let's complete the circuit by using the add wire tool, and let's connect this. And let's place it over here, and now you can see that our divider is complete. Let's add the value. Click on this component and let's just expand this section. Over here you can see value. Let's say I am going to add 1k, and for R2 let's say it's 2k, and hit over here. So now you can see that our divider is complete, but we cannot run any simulation because we haven't added any source that has a KiCad simulation model. Let's just save this and again go to this power section and let's search for VDC. We want this source from the simulation library. Let's close this, and over here, as this is for the it has only 0 volt, let's add the simulation model from this add symbol tool, and over here let's search for VDC, and in the simulation spice library you have to add this voltage source. This will help us to simulate our divider. So let's double click over here and let's place it over here. Let's just save our work. Now we need to connect this simulations our source, our VDC source, with this divider. For doing that, I can make a copy of this label, place it over here, and let's copy this label and place it over here, and let's click on the add wire tool and connect this. Now we have connected our divider with this voltage source. Let's save this and let's leave this add wire tool, click on this voltage source, and let's say I am going to use 5 volt, and let's now we have a 5 volts voltage of DC voltage that is connected with this divider of 1 kilo and 2 kilo ohm resistor. Now we are going to run this simulation. Let's save this, go to inspect and click on the simulator. Now on the simulator, what you have to do is you have to add your analysis, create a new tab containing a simulation analysis. Click on this and choose this DC operating point. And as there are also others like DC sweep analysis, small signal, these are different types of analysis. Currently we will be doing DC operating point, so hit OK, and it says simulation provided no plots, please refer to console window for results. So let's run the simulation. Click on this. You see that over here it says simulation results. It means that some calculations this simulation has done. So let's just minimize and see on the canvas. Over here you see that we have current and voltage at different nodes, like at over here it's 5 volt, and at this that divider has 3.33 volt over here, and the current is same in the series, that's why it says 1.67 milliampere in the circuit. So in this way you simulate your circuit in the KiCad simulator. Let's say if I change the value of my resistor, like let's say if I say let's change this from 1 kilo to 2 kilo, and now again go to inspect simulator and run the simulation again, and you will see our values will change. Now you can see that we have 2.5 volt over here and 1.25 milliampere current passing through this circuit. So let's say if I want to change the input voltage from 5 to 10 volt, so let's also change this as it is connected. Let's change this label to 10 volt just for understanding, otherwise this is connected to this one. Let's just name it as plus 10 volt, hit OK. Let's save this. Let's again run the simulator, and this is the DC analysis already we have set, and now you can see that we have 5 volt over here and 10 volt over here, and the current passing through this divider is 2.5 milliampere. So in this way you will use the simulator of the KiCad. You will add symbols from this add symbol tool, like I have added resistor, and will use this simulation spice library, like over here, for different sources you want to use and attach with your in your circuit or use in your circuit. So this is how you use ngspice simulator in KiCad Schematic Editor.